Welcome to this Byron on the Rooftop, where we are going to review the HE350 made in Canada Ventis product. It is a special product, 95,000 BTUs, pushing 100,000, 1.6 grams per hour. And this thing will heat from 1,000 to 2,800 square feet, and that's usually an 8 to 9 foot ceiling. We're in Mancos, beautiful Mancos, Durango, Colorado today. So it's not a super cold climate, but let's go inside, take a look, and then we'll look at the chimney system and kind of show you what we did and what we're going to do different. Well, surprise, I decided to go outside and show you the chimney system outside. This appliance was selected by the customer because it is a double door system. It's heating a large living area. It has a large glass door area, and it runs on an 8-inch system. So this chimney system is a Simpson Duratec 8DT system. We did a roof brace and a snow splitter because, again, Colorado. We get a lot of snow here. Now, I would like to have put another 12 or maybe 18 inches on this to just get above that dormer ridge there. But we didn't have that exact product. Customer said no problem. He's going to put it on himself. And let's take a look inside. All right, so we're actually going to look at the fresh air kit. It's right outside here before we go. So here it is on the outside of the home. This particular appliance takes a 5-inch air kit, and it comes with this, actually it doesn't come with this. You got to get your own little 5-inch air grill. So that we sealed off his other half per his request. Here we are on the inside now. It has an arched front. It has a very beautiful door system that a lot of appliances just have a square or rectangular front. So I'll try and get the light just right. That's a beautiful arch. It's got a standoff feature, so there's layers of the decoration here. And then it also pops in to the frame of the door. Very nice decoration on the door. It's got some nice big welded cast iron hinges. Down here is your air control. We can go left and right for more and less air. This is a spring-loaded design. You see those springs stretching out. And down inside is the blower system, a double blower. There's your serial number placard. And over here is your blower control. You can switch it to auto, which means it will automatically sense the temperature on that snap disc back there. And it will come on at the last remembered setting over here, which is a high-low adjustment. Or if you want it on no matter what, you can just switch it to this manual mode, and then you can give authority straight to this. All right, so that's how that's going to work. Let's leave it back in auto, close the door, and let's get this little guy going. The right-hand door is the one that opens. I really like the ball bearing mechanism on this. We've installed probably a dozen of these. Very nice mechanism, very good feel. You know, when you grab something that's $6,000, you want it to feel good. Inside are reburn air tubes, and up here, that's where the exhaust goes around the left side, and then it gathers into that 8-inch flue. It goes up. We have one offset. We put the band clamps on just for a little extra strength, and then we run it up through the wood framing with the appropriate fire stop there. And they have to do steel studs over this face. That's a requirement, so they'll be doing that after. This is where the air will come out. Down there is where the room air will go in, and it'll circulate behind that box back in there. I guess you can't quite see in there. All right, let's get this thing lit and show you what it looks like. All right, so here it is, final and finished, the HE350. This is the large wood-burning fireplace, 95,000 BTUs. It's just going through its pre-burn ignition sequence with a little bit of lumber. I really like the brick panel on the inside. The door handle works super nice. But on the inside, if you look, they have an asymmetrical brick pattern. They got a 2-inch and a 4-inch, then a 2-inch and a 4-inch, and then they stagger the lengths. I just think it's brilliant. It looks really good. Very attractive. Wow, it's already putting out heat. We're only 17 minutes in on this, sort of initial new construction fire that we're burning. But yeah, take a look at it, love it, enjoy it, and I hope you guys will put one in your house and that you'll also love it and enjoy it. Nice temperature activated fan. Cheers and all the best from Byron on the Rooftop.